Well, here we are. Final night cruise. I don't know when I'm gonna take her in to be officially sold to the dealer, but probably Saturday. But till then, won't be driving her. I just keep the miles off, make sure nothing happens. Just my luck, something would happen. I drive it the next couple of days, but this is it. This is the last cruise. Definitely gonna miss her. I really like this car. I enjoyed it. We're at 94,300 some miles. Been pretty reliable. There we go. I like that view better. Anyways, yeah, it's been pretty reliable. Engine, up until today, until this moment, no issues. I don't beat on her like constantly, but I mean, I enjoy it. I enjoy it for what it was made to be. I enjoyed it how it was made to be enjoyed. So every now and then I launch it. I go do 40 rolls, 60 rolls, whatever. No racing. Legal street racing's bad. But I do some pulls here and there. Whatever. Like I said, I drove it like it was meant to be driven. Cruised at this-ish speeds. Only when it was legal to, of course. But I cruised at 75 to 80 when I could. Most of the time, that was my cruising speed. I'm good to go. Some electric problems, as you guys have all seen. The shifter died. That was weird. The steering rack died. I didn't end up making a video on that because honestly I didn't know what the hell was happening. And I ended up getting it fixed at dealer through warranty, so wasn't much of a video. I guess I should have, just so everyone knew the symptoms of what that meant or what that was. But it is what it is. Exterior wise, I definitely modified the shit out of it as much as I could. The splitter, the wicker bill, the rear spats, the side skirts, the lights. There's more things I wanted to do. I wanted to bag her, I wanted to wrap her, but it is what it is. I did everything I did it because I wanted to do it. I didn't do it because I wanted to fit in or be better than so-and-so, whatever. No. Any choices I made, they were all made because that's what I wanted. I asked for opinions here and there, but at the end of the day, I did what I wanted to do. But yeah, I probably tomorrow, no, maybe Saturday before I take her in, I'll do a quick walk around the outside, quick walk around to the interior. But yeah, this is it. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. I'm gonna miss these. I'm gonna enjoy the loud V8 sounds. I'm not 100% sure what I'm getting into next, but unfortunately, I want all-wheel drive. I need all-wheel drive, and the all-wheel drive V8 I tried getting into. It's just too much for me at the moment. I maybe could have made it work. It would have been tight, but it just wasn't worth it at the end of the day. So, no more V8s for me for a hot minute. Eventually, maybe I'll get another truck. Maybe I'll get a Charger whenever they redesign it. That's kind of my goal. I wanted to keep this car for 5 to 6 years and then trade it in 22, 23 when they redesigned it. That was kind of my plans, but with them discontinuing the Hemi, the 5.7 Hemi, they're not going to redesign this until they come up with whatever the replacement's going to be, which from the sounds of it, all the rumors, it's going to be an inline turbo 6, which that's probably what I'm going to get into, actually. So it'll be interesting to see what Dodge does. BMW has been doing it for a long time, and a couple other companies have been using inline 6s for a while, so I'm glad Dodge is finally starting to get into that. But, yeah, said, if I remember to, if I have time to, I'll do a quick exterior walk around, but this is it, final cruise. So I'll put this video together for me, really, just so I have it to look back on, to remember this car, that I actually owned this car and I was able to do everything I could do to it. But yeah, so also really quickly wanted to add, for anyone considering getting a Dodge Charger, Definitely get, I think, was it 11 or 12 they started putting it in there, but get one with like the MDS shit in it. So basically it drops you from 8 cylinders to 4 cylinders when you're cruising and you don't need that extra power. I started today's drive at 18. It was like 17.9 or whatever. Or no, sorry, 18.9. And I've been cruising the speed limit pretty damn close anyways all the this entire trip, and I've gotten up to 19.8 as you can see. And then when you're not in it, let me set cruise again. Going up a slight hill right now, so I'll give it a second. But basically, as soon as the car is like, oh, you don't need all 8 cylinders, it's going to shut down 4 of them. You'll get a symbol right there. It's going to say 4 cylinder, and you'll see that current guide drop, and we're going up another hill, so hang on. Anyways, that was rude. Yeah, so 4 cylinder, we're in 4 cylinder mode now. You can see that current MPG's 28, yeah, it's dropping. There we go. We're slowly climbing up there. I usually see 35-ish or whatever, depending on where I have my cruise set to, and the RPMs, and you know, all that good science stuff. Well, not science, but you know. But yeah, now, but if you plan on getting a modern V8, really any V8 does this nowadays, even most 6s. I don't know about the inline 6s, but I know the V6s, most of the modern ones do this too. But yeah, so don't let gas mileage scare you too much. As long as you're easy on it, you'll get some decent gas out of her. Some MPGs. And right now you can see, I hate this merging area. And then you can do stuff like that too. But yeah, don't let the window sticker number scare you. It's not that bad. It's only bad if you let it be that bad. Like I said earlier, you know, I drive it the way it was meant to be driven, so that's why my gas mileage isn't the best. And then with the remote start being winter right now and everything. But yeah, cruising off throttle, of course, it's going downhill, so of course it's going to jump up to like stupid numbers, but yeah. Alright, so here we go. We're cruising at 39-ish, 40, 39, my bad. So 4 cylinder mode, we're getting 32, 33, and now it's going up. Wow. Yeah, I mean, that's impressive. So yeah, so just don't let the window sticker scare you too much. If you're bad on it, then yeah, you'll get, you know, I think it's rated 15 city and 25 highway. I think it's what the window sticker says, something like that. Yeah, you'll definitely get that. I mean, prime example. I only drive this a few days a week, if that. Right now, it's winter time, so remote start and all that drives it down, but it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Well, here she is in all of her glory. So the light thing ran things for about 20 seconds. Just enjoying that one last time. Man, don't forget I missed this car. So I'm sad. I'm a little sad. Definitely gonna miss this car. So get here on the inside. I have the lights on in here too, but I don't have them turned on. Let's get a quick whirl. Oh, here's the rusty trusty. This guy. It's on music mode right now, I think. I'm not really sure what's triggering him. Music, yeah. Still got to drive her up to the dealer, but we ended up with 94,427 miles. Picked her up when she had about 120-ish miles, so it's a lot of miles. My first brand new car. First car I've ever had longer than 2 to 3 years. It's been April 4th of next month would have been a full 6 years with her. And let's turn this off before it kills the battery. There you go. Oh. Gone through a lot of phases. like 3 different exhaust setups. We got some racing seats in there, even though we're slow as heck. Carbon fiber racing wheel, because, you know, weight savings. Carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber little adhesive window switches things. You can't see that. There you go. Got that guy. I like vinyl painted. It's like vinyl spray paint. The vents white. I was gonna wrap this, just never got around to it. Same as the shifter there. Carbon fiber there. Carbon fiber on the mirror, or not the mirrors, Jesus. Door handles. This was gonna be, like I said, this was gonna be carbon fiber or wrap, but wrap was gonna be the cheapest option, so I was gonna do that. It was gonna look like that. Never got around to it. If you watch some of my older videos, I did have it wrapped at one point, but it was very poorly done. I just want to see what it looked like, and I definitely liked it, so I wish I had done that. My plans for this year were going to be to get the armrest done in carbon fiber, and then either get a, what the heck is it called? Barton shifter, I think that's what they're called. Barton shifter in white, and have the trim pieces in carbon fiber, or get that shifter done in carbon fiber. But obviously it didn't happen. These are one of the first decals I ever put on there. It used to say like 15, all that good stuff. If I go far enough back in my Instagram, you can see them, but I just left those. Carbon fiber side skirts. These new wheels. Just kidding, I don't actually say it like that. I do that on purpose now. Carbon fiber mud flaps. Carbon fiber front splitter. Carbon fiber rods. You got carbon fiber rear spats. I got pushed, whatever. We got some Corsa exhaust going on back here. We got, it's a reminder, I gotta pull that out. But let me, come on. Got 2 JL audio subs back here. I've had those for like 10 years. Thought about taking them out, but it's time to move on. Time to leave those behind as well. Oh yeah, carbon fiber window louvers. 99% of the carbon fiber on this car came from Family Customs. Definitely all the exterior pieces that I just showed. The only thing on the outside didn't come from Family Customs. These guys, these came from Destroyed Customs. Check him out on Instagram. He does amazing work. His charger was amazing. He sold that recently too. And now he's got something else in the process. We wrapped this a beautiful satin gold dust black. So without the light, it just looks black. But once the sun hits it, all these metallic flakes pop out. Now let's pop open the hood real quick. This was supposed to get redone. That never happened. All this, the prototype from Corsa, they did a poor job in. I don't know. I love Corsa, but their customer service response rate's pretty terrible. But got all this. That's from Family Customs as well. Billet Technology. I bought that off my buddy Carbon RT. Check him out on Instagram. He's got a wicked Challenger. I bought the Brom racing seats from him as well. I got these off another friend, but Billet Technology, Billet. Local friend here helped me paint that. That obviously needs a wipe down. Oof. Oh man. Billet Technology. I don't think I had any plans for another hood this year. I mean, there's really not much else I could do to it. Family Customs does sell this piece in carbon fiber, which I wanted, but that was not in the budget or the plans for this year. The firewall cover too. Wanted that too, but again, not in the budget, unfortunately. Their prices are pretty high. I mean, it's good quality. That this carbon fiber side skirt survived a tire blowout. Follow me on Instagram. You saw that like 3 years ago, actually. 3 years and a month ago. But yeah, this went through a blowout, and as you can see, there's no damage to it. Underneath, nothing. So, like I said, they are pricey, but well worth it. But yeah, this is it. I don't know. I'll try and continue doing videos here and there on the new car. I'm not 100% sure what that is going to be, but like I said, I'll try and continue doing some videos. Oh yeah, I had a guy at work paint the calipers. He did a great job on them. Those have held up for 2-3 years now. Yeah. And then the paint, obviously. I had a paint corrected I think 2 years ago now, by Flawless Cleaning and Detailing. We applied SPS metal oxide, and I mean, that speaks for itself. The paint itself probably isn't as good in condition as it should be. I think I did a pretty good job maintaining it. I didn't do terrible. There's some spots you can see scratches, but overall, I did pretty good. You can see where the light catches the swirls. I did pretty good. High five me. I didn't realize I did that good. This area is a little rough, but it's not terrible. But yeah, said that that's it. I'm gonna take just a video. I'm not gonna talk or anything, but I'm gonna take a video of it once I drop it off at the dealer, so you guys know where it's at. If you're interested in it anytime soon, within, you know, I don't know however long it takes to sell this pretty girl. Oh yeah, my plans for redo the front suspension and lower it about an inch and a half on Eibach Pros. I had some springs powder coated white. Why did I have powder coated white? I don't know. I thought they were gonna look good, but now looking at it, you probably wouldn't have been able to see them. But I don't know. I guess you could have seen them. Well, no, because if it was gonna be lowered, whatever. That was gonna happen too. But it's just time to move on. So appreciate all you guys who have subscribed and been here for the Charger for Charlotte. But this is the end of the line. Hey, Kaya. Puppy I just got her a month ago. That's it. What the heck is she chewing on? She's chewing on a rock. Alright, guys. See you guys later.
We got everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when